Glympse allows you to share your location and estimated arrival time with a single person, SMS group, or an entire list of contacts. If you want the control to review and stop sharing your location, you can always stop sharing from the Glympse website. Glympse is a free app for your phone and computer that allows you to share your real-time location with the people you choose and can be used in a number of ways. Whether it's letting the grandparents borrow the car and know exactly how far away they are, or making sure your spouse knows that you're running late to meet up, Glympse provides many uses for iPhone and Android users. You can use Glympse to share your location with friends, family, or co-workers. Using the app is easy. Just start Glympse on your iPhone or Android device, then share your location for a set amount of time, 30 minutes to 24 hours, with anyone who has the Glympse app on their device. Also works if the other person does not have Glympse app installed on their phone. It's useful in everyday situations, like making plans with friends, or in emergency situations, like letting your family know you're safe when in danger. Glympse is the fastest and easiest way to safely share your location with the people you trust. Glympse uses your phone's GPS to detect where you are, and then takes a snapshot of your location and lets the people you share with know when you got there and how long until you leave. When you open up the app, you can send a short blip of information about where you are and when you'll be there. That blip is called a glimpse. People can then tap on that glimpse to see an interactive map that follows the time in which it will take for you to arrive at your destination. With Glympse Overlay, you now have the option to share multiple locations along your run, ski trip, or charity ride. Share multiple locations to family or friends. When you want to share your location, open Glympse on your phone. Your friends will see your name, photo, and current location on a map. They can then click on that map where they'll see an animated, moving blue dot showing you moving through time on their own screens. Only the people you send your Glympse to will see where you were and how long you stayed there, while anyone who has downloaded the Glympse app on their smartphones will be able to view it. You can share any amount of time from 3 minutes to 3 hours. After that expires, a new Glympse will automatically be created. With this free app, friends, family, and co-workers can easily share their location in real time. If you need to reach someone urgently, such as in an emergency, or if you are running late for an appointment, use Glympse to share your GPS data with them. The direct line of communication ensures that if there is a delay, you will know where to go. While out with friends, have you ever been wondering what time they will be home? Are you bored at work and want to know when your girlfriend will be done grocery shopping? Glympse is the answer. With Glympse, you can see where your friends and family are in real time.